Here at St Dominic's, we are very dedicated to helping reduce the devastating effects of climate change through a variety of different activities.
By the students planting the trees, it will not only help to increase biodiversity within the local area by planting native species, but will also help to reduce our carbon footprint and mitigate against climate change.
When mature, these trees will offset the equivalent of 100 tonnes of carbon dioxide.
Here you can see some of our junior school pupils planting flowers within our school grounds. Currently, only 45% of plastic bottles in the UK are recycled. This is why we installed new recycling bins to increase our recycling uptake.
A single tonne of recycled plastic saves approximately 23 cubic metres of space in a landfill. This is another reason why recycling your plastic will help benefit the future generations.
For Earth Day this year, St Dominic's Year 8 students have been designing Earth Day paper plates, and they have each pledged to do something to help the earth, from eating less meat to buying locally and giving up fast fashion.
My pledge is about conserving water. Conserving water is very crucial because it helps us to survive. How can I do this? Instead of showering for 30 minutes, I can reduce it to 10.
Every year on Earth Day, our Eco Club organises different activities. Last year, the Year 11 classes held a tallest sunflower competition.
Sunflowers provide a food source for bees in the summer, and their seeds help to feed the birds in the autumn months. They're a biodiversity superplant and they look great too.
On Friday the 18th of June 2021, one of our students' fathers, Damien McGreevy, who is a beekeeper, and Laura Shields from the West Belfast Partnership, came in to talk to our students about the importance of bees, particularly for food security through pollination.
Students also had the opportunity to cut bamboo to create St Dominic's very own bee hotel, one which looks like the one shown on the screen, which is now open for guests. Bee populations are in decline, therefore bee conservation and habitat creation is now more important than ever. Last year, our Eco Club visited Helen's Bay to do a beach clean-up in an attempt to make the beach a safer environment for visitors and for marine life.
Our clean-up at Helen's Bay was an important event to help alleviate the problems caused by ocean debris and dangers inflicted on marine life as a result of plastic pollution.
In June, St Dominic's was hosted the Northern Ireland Housing Executive and the Eco Schools prize-giving ceremony for the design of an Eco Hero, where one of our very own junior school pupils won.
Each student won a laptop and £500 for an eco project within their school for their innovative Eco Hero designs.
We've been given the opportunity to become a Switch Off Ambassador school because we have participated in the Switch Off programme several times.
This year's Switch Off fortnight coincides with COP26, the UN Conference on Climate Change, and we've partnered with Energy Saving Trust Foundation to support schools with expert advice and practical support to make a real impact.